My 74-year-old patient shared the secret with me to an amazing libido and very strong stamina. He said he still makes love to his wife at least a few times a week. Of course, I immediately asked him to give me some details of what exactly does he do. And of course, I asked him if it's okay to share those details and the story with you guys on this channel. He said yes. Mr. P shared that he's been practicing yoga his whole life and eating certain foods and adding certain ingredients to his meals that he claims is giving him this amazing health benefits. Now I will share with you the foods that he's been eating, and you can easily add it to your diet and of course get the same benefits. He says that this particular food, spice to be exact, he's been adding to his food ever since he remembers. I'm sure you have heard before that this spice has some unique medicinal properties. Matter of fact, it has an incredible amount of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains high amount of vitamin C, B6, vitamin K, and carotenoids. It is a fantastic source of antioxidants and other compounds that protect your cell and promote health. They protect your heart, improve digestion, maintains a healthy weight, cleans congestion. It's great for pain relief, improves athletic performance, and lowers your blood sugar level. Research indicated that ingesting this product will increase your circulation, improves your blood vessel strength, and reduce the plaque buildup in your arteries. One of the main reasons for this is capsaicin. It's an active ingredient of this fruit. 2019 Italian study that included 22,811 adults found that regular consumption of this pepper was associated with low risk of death from heart disease. By the way, I would like to recommend my book on men's sexual wellness. In this book, I analyze the causes for weakening or declining erections and give you step-by-step approach for its correction. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. So if you didn't guess it yet, the product that Mr. P been using ever since he was a child and the product that I've been talking about it is cayenne pepper. But how is it related to sexual performance? Well, this is how. Number 1. Cayenne pepper increases sexual stamina in men and women. Intercourse can be considered a type of aerobic exercise. It forces your heart to pump faster and burn more energy. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper can help improve physical performance parameters. It can increase sexual stamina in men and women and may help you to last much longer without feeling out of breath. Number 2. It boosts libido in both men and women. One of the main reasons behind this effect is increase in testosterone production. Clinical study also supported the notion that cayenne pepper improves sexual drive. Yes, cayenne pepper can make you hot not only in your mouth. Number 3. In men, it's been found to enhance the erectile function. As I already mentioned, if you're experiencing erectile dysfunction due to low testosterone production, cayenne pepper can help you to improve this naturally. Number 4. Cayenne pepper reduces bad cholesterol in your blood. Well, the major part of erectile dysfunction is atherosclerosis, and not only sclerosis within a muscle of the blood vessel, but also within a blood vessel itself. By accumulating the plaque within a blood vessel, you're narrowing down the diameter of the blood vessel, therefore less blood can get to your penis and give you healthy erection. By adding cayenne pepper to your diet, you will reduce bad cholesterol in your blood, therefore you will prevent your blood vessels from atherosclerosis as well as the accumulation of plaques. Well, I would like to also warn you that cayenne pepper has been listed as one of the foods that you should be avoiding if you have certain gastrointestinal problems, if you have ulcerative colitis, or gastroesophageal reflux. If you have those problems, one of the foods that you should be avoiding is pepper. Pepper well known to cause major irritation to the stomach lining. And if you have these problems, you should consult your doctor before adding cayenne pepper to your diet. A common cause of erectile dysfunction in men is decrease in production of nitric oxide. Please check out the 6 easy ways to improve your nitric oxide production and improve your erection.